Understanding a looped electrical supply. A looped electrical supply refers to a setup where the electricity supply to one property is connected to the supply of a neighbouring property. This arrangement is common in semi-detached or terrace houses. The key features of a looped supply is shared cable. Multiple properties share one main cable from the electricity network. Sequential connection. The cable enters the first property, then connects and continues to the second, connecting to both meters separately. Meter connections. You can often spot a looped supply by checking the connections at the meters, particularly at the service head, the big fuse. If you've got two cables coming in, you've got a loop supply to next door. But you could be on the end of it and you don't know about it. Underground installation. Usually the shared cable is installed underground for safety and durability. It is common in close-knit housing, frequently found in terraced or semi-detached homes. Why use a looped supply? It's about efficiency. It streamlines the connection from the main network, reducing the need for separate cables. It's cost-effective. Sharing a cable can lower the installation and the maintenance costs. Shared load. The system benefits from households having varying electricity demands at different times, sharing the overall load. Thank you for watching. I trust that the video has been of help and of interest to you. Don't forget to like and also subscribe to our YouTube video channel and hit that little notification bell so you get told when we release future videos.